In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom rules to identify duplicates in Hubspot. We all know that having a clean and organized contact list is crucial for effective customer relationship management, and Hubspot provides the perfect tools to simplify this process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to set up custom rules that help you identify those pesky duplicate contacts that can clutter your system. First, head over to the Hubspot homepage, open your web browser and go to hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your Hubspot account by clicking the login button at the top right corner. Enter your credentials carefully to access your dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on the Hubspot home screen, your main hub for accessing all the features Hubspot has to offer. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this is always the best place to start. Next, locate and click on the CRM option. This is where all your customer information and interactions are stored, making it essential for managing your contacts. Once you're in the CRM, navigate to the Contacts tab. This is where you'll find all the data related to the people and companies you interact with. With the Contacts page open, look toward the top of the screen and click on the Actions button. This dropdown lets you manage a variety of tasks related to your contact database. In this drop-down menu, select Manage Duplicates. This is the feature that allows you to identify and resolve duplicate contacts using rules and criteria you set. After being redirected to the Manage Duplicates section, click on the Manage Duplicates button again. It may feel repetitive, but this is how HubSpot routes you into the duplicate management tool. Here, you can use HubSpot's AI-driven algorithms to automatically detect duplicate contacts based on similar attributes. Or you can customize your own rules for more precise control, and that's it. You now know how to create custom rules and efficiently manage duplicate contacts within HubSpot. This process helps you maintain a clean database and ensures that your communication with clients remains streamlined and effective. Regularly checking for duplicates can save time and boost your team's productivity by keeping your contact list organized and up to date. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on optimizing your HubSpot experience. Happy customizing!